Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab and today's video, which is going to be my very first Boxycharm Base Box unboxing of 2021. I'm shocked that my box arrived so early this time around. As you know, I'm a paying customer of Boxycharm. I don't receive any product from them. I'm not sponsored in any way. And so my boxes usually arrive much later in the month, but this one just got here today. I already had makeup on my face, so I figured why not come on camera so we can unbox it together. Like I said, I'm a paying customer, and so what you're about to see are my unfiltered opinions on what's in my box. I also have my Try Beauty box that I didn't get around to unboxing from last month, so I figured why not toss that into this video as well. And I am a paying customer of Try Beauty box also. Before we get into the video, if you're new here, I'm Yori. Thank you for joining me for today's video. I hope you're going to enjoy this one and consider subscribing so that you can join me on my YouTube journey. We're a growing little family here and would love to have you along for the ride. We're low-key, drama-free, and just about the love of makeup. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then definitely join us. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I really appreciate all your love and support, and a special thanks to the first 5 commenters on my previous video. Now, without any further delay, let's see what's in the box. Okay, so here's what my box is looking like. It looks like something from pharmacy. Let's see. We do have a card, and this theme is Fresh Start. Ugh, that sounds really great right about now. I like the theme. The variation number is really, really long, C2101006-BA. I started seeing variation numbers like that in the Boxy Lux for December. I don't know what that's all about, but I'm going to hold on to the card so that I have the prices so I can share with you the retail values of the items in my box. So the first thing that I have is something from pharmacy, which I noticed right away when I opened the box. I think everybody's getting something from pharmacy. This one is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. I do like moisturizers. I have a lot of moisturizers right now, but this is something I will definitely get around to using on my skincare routine. It says apply to clean face, use AM and PM. I'm reading the product claims here, and it says ideal for combination and oily skin, which tells me right away that Boxycharm is not reading the beauty quiz because I am a dry skin type, a very dry skin type, and so this moisturizer I can tell is going to be something that's going to be more lightweight. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to this one. I may put it in one of my monthly giveaways. I'll do a little more research and see, but the price of this one is $38. Now, I believe that there was another product we could have gotten, which was, I don't know if it was a toner or a cleanser, which quite honestly, I would have preferred. So the retail value of this one is $38. The next item in my box is from Dr. Brandt, and this one is the DNA line, which is Do Not Age, and this is the Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I did receive something from Dr. Brandt, or was that... I don't even remember. It was some kind of eye cream which I received a couple of times. Now this one says wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, eye cream. I do suffer from all of those things, so I guess in that sense they are reading my beauty quiz. My dark under eyes are definitely my trouble area. All right, I will definitely give this one a try. According to my card, this one retails for $82. As bad as my dark circles are, I don't see myself repurchasing something that retails for $82, especially since I'm on a beauty budget this year. $82 would eat like half my budget. So in that sense, I'm definitely grateful to be able to try it on a Boxycharm where I paid like $25 and change. So this is what the packaging looks like. This one, I'm definitely interested in. That's 2 skincare items though. Usually I prefer to receive more makeup. So let's see what else we have. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette, and this one is labeled as the Velvet palette. This was a variation item as well, and I'm disappointed here as well because I know that one of the other palettes that you could have gotten was from Violet Voss, and I was especially interested in that one because it was gonna be green. Quite honestly, it was like a 12 shade eyeshadow palette, and there were only like 3 greens in there, but you see one green and you feel like it's a green palette. I was almost positive I should have gotten that palette as well because I recently received a Ciate London palette. I don't have it up here on my vanity right now, but it was called like an editor palette or something like that. It was nice, it was okay. But since I recently got a Ciate one, then it would have been nice to receive a different brand. So this one retails for $30 and it's labeled as a new launch. Let's take a peek. It's really pretty, isn't it? I was talking all that crap and now I see it and it's really pretty. It's got wave patterns on the pans. I think I might hold on to this one. I'm going to have a reduction in the number of eyeshadow palettes that are going to be coming in my collection this year. This shade right here looks so pretty. Look at that one. It's a pretty palette. I think I'm going to hold on to this one. I've actually had good luck with the Ciate formula. The palette that I did receive, I thought it was okay. But this one looks like it has more metallic shades, which I love nice metallic shades on the eye. So that was the Ciate, the Velvet palette, again retailing for $30. Not bad, not bad. I like that they actually wrapped it in bubble wrap too to prevent it breaking. The next thing is something by Beauty Creations, and I have received products from Beauty Creations in the past. This is labeled as the Esmeralda 2 eyeshadow palette. It's not an eyeshadow palette, is it? Let's see. It doesn't really say. Let's take a look at it. I have a feeling this was actually my choice item because I don't remember choosing any of the other items. So here's what this one looks like. It actually is an eyeshadow palette. So 2 eyeshadow palettes this time. That's strange. I don't think that's ever happened before. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section down below, but I don't think I have ever gotten 2 eyeshadow palettes in a single Boxycharm. This one is very, very lightweight. I think I received a highlighter from this brand in the past. It was okay. I think it's a more affordable brand. I think it's a Latina-owned brand, which is nice. I would definitely try it out. I don't have any eyeshadows from Beauty Creations, and I do like to experiment with all different kinds of formulas. But if I'm honest and I'm looking at the color story, I far prefer the color story on the Ciate palette. So we'll see if I hold on to this one for a giveaway maybe. But I have a feeling that I saw this on a friend's channel. She was talking about it. Her channel name is Unfiltered 50s. I think she was saying this is actually a really, really nice palette. So we will see. There's just one more item in my box, and this is the Bali Balm, and it is the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I love coconut. Orange is nice too, but I love coconut. It says, in cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. I've never heard that kind of instruction for a balm. Okay, it comes in a squeeze tube, and it's just a lip balm. Interesting, let's see. I mean, it's just a squeeze tube. It sounds like a lot of hoops to jump through to use just a squeeze tube balm. I live in Chicago. We have really rough winters and it's super cold outside already. This is something I will definitely use. Now this Bali Balm retails for $33. I mean, I guess I shouldn't say anything. I'm using the Jouer Balm right now. It's actually quite nice. I like that one, and I think that one retails in the mid-20s, but $33. I like the idea of a citrusy tropical aroma though. And then it says that it has vitamin C. Let's see what else it has in terms of ingredient. Coconut oil, castor seed oil, shea butter. Okay, so it has very hydrating ingredients. Without a doubt, this is something I'll definitely get some use out of. So let's see. In summary, we had 2 eyeshadow palettes, one from Beauty Creations, one from Ciate. We had the Pharmacy moisturizer, which isn't really applicable to my skin type. And then we have the Dr. Brandt thing, which is applicable to my skin issues, and a lip balm. So overall, for my $25, would I rather have my $25 back or would I rather keep the items in the box? I think this time around, the Ciate palette is really pretty, but I definitely wouldn't have paid the retail price of $30. I'm kind of curious about the eye cream, which was super expensive. I'll actually put the total of my box on the screen so we can see how much the products totaled to. I think it's a nice box. If I was going to rank it between 1 and 5 stars, I'll give it a 3 stars this time around. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And the only reason why I'm knocking it down a bit is, again, 2 palettes. I didn't get the Violet Boss one. and I'm fairly certain I would have preferred the other pharmacy product. So that was everything in my box. You may see some of these items in an upcoming giveaway. I do those monthly giveaways, and sometimes I do give away some of the Boxycharm items. Let's go ahead and get into the Try Beauty box. Like I said, this is the one from last month, and I do have a card for that one. And the December theme was Dreamland, and everything is very nicely packaged here. I already see something from Avant, which is one of those skincare brands. Let me get this open before I start talking. Okay, so what I was saying is that Avant is one of those skincare items whose prices are ridiculous, and then all their packaging looks the same. So every single item that you get from them looks the same, and you kind of have to go into the details of the ingredients to figure out what it is that you're getting. So this one says apply in the morning and evening after cleansing and serum. So I'm assuming this is going to be a moisturizer. It's the Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Oxidizing DUO Moisturizer. Without even looking at the card, I would guess that the price of this is $100 just because it always says it's $100. $134. I lowballed it. You know, I don't think I have ever gotten around to using any of those Avant products. This one has hyaluronic acid as well. It's supposed to be for illumination of your skin. It seems like it's a little bit more appropriate for my skin type, so maybe I'll crack into this one first. But goodness, that price tag. Oof. Next, we have something from The Balm. The Balm is a brand that I don't have that much stuff from just because they're not readily available on Ulta or Sephora. But I do think that their stuff is so cute. It's themed so cutely, and I think that whoever works there naming their products must have so much fun. So this is a shadow slash blush, and it is in the shade Down Boy. And if we look at it, it's kind of a cool tone pink. I have other blushes in these tones, but I don't have this one, and because I don't have so many products from The Balm, I think I'm going to hold on to it. This one says, so many men, so little time. I don't know whose life that is, but it's not mine. Okay, the next thing that we have is what looks like some kind of pencil. It is an eye pencil in the shade Nut Bush. My mind. Compose yourself. Okay. So this is the Iman Cosmetics Perfect Pencil in, you know, a brown shade. And it is an eyeliner. Interesting. I'm still I'm still not over the shade name. It's got a pencil sharpener built into the cap, which is kind of strange. Let me just put that down. The retail price of that one was $10. Moving right along. The next thing that I have is from Solalook. I only have one other product from Solalook, and it was a gift from my best friend who gave me the Dirty Dancing palette. So this one is Brenda Loves Dylan Loves Kelly. Oh, I was so annoyed by that love triangle. I don't know if anyone else is old enough to remember 90210, but my best friend and I used to watch it all the time while we were doing our nails. So this is a liquid lipstick, retails for $14. Let's take a look at the color. So it looks like it's a warm toned. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Let's see. It's a pretty shade. It looks like it is more of a warm toned red, like a maroon kind of color. I like it. I like the color. It looks like it stains a little bit. I wasn't able to wash it off. So that liquid lipstick was $14. And then the next thing that I have is an eyeshadow palette, and this was the item that I chose. This is the Poppy Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Palette. And I remember this is a really bright eyeshadow palette. Here's what that one looks like. It's called the Neon Drip Palette. Oh, it's really pretty. Here's what that palette looks like. I haven't tried anything from Poppy Cosmetics, but these are really bright neon shades. really pretty. I don't know if I like the names of this. It's called, let's see, Slimy, Kiki, Wet, Cloudlet, Culture, Side Chick, Flex, Freaky, Poppin', Slippery, and Batty. I don't have anything from Poppy Cosmetics. This was my choice item, so I'm going to go ahead and hold on to it. This one was made in China. It's labeled cruelty-free, and it's a pressed pigment palette, so I'm assuming some of these might stain your eyes. That's everything from my Tribe Beauty Box. I'll go ahead and put the price up here as well. The other variation item you could have gotten, let me see, was just between the palettes. So instead of this one, you could have gotten the Suha Beauty Saffron palette, but I already owned that one. And so I decided to go ahead with the more bold color story, and that's cool. Now I think the Tribe Beauty Box, the retail price of it is about $35. I'm not totally in love with anything in this box really, but it gave me a good laugh, and so we'll just call it worth it for that regard. But if I was gonna rank it between 1 and 5 stars, I'd probably also give it a 3. And you know what I like about Tribe Beauty Box is that they give you a really good variety. They'll give you a skincare item, a tool, a lip product, a face product, and an eyeshadow palette. So you're never gonna have a situation with Tribe Beauty Box where you're getting 2 eyeshadow palettes like I did in my Boxycharm. But like I said, I'm not super keen on anything in here. It'll be interesting to try out a new eyeshadow formula, but I'm going to rank this one a 3 as well. And in this case, I probably definitely would prefer to have my $35 back. I don't always feel that way. I have a lot of fun with Tribe Beauty Box because they include a lot of indie brands, and I'm always up for discovering new brands as well. So let me know how you would rank my Tribe Beauty Box in the comment section down below. And I do have my customer referral links in my description box as well, in case you'd like to check out any of these subscription boxes. For Boxycharm, I earn charms and I can buy stuff on the charm shop for any referral that I do. I'm not paid. Like I said, I'm just a paying customer, and once you're a customer as well, then you would have that option also. That's everything for today's video. I have to admit, I'm not absolutely in love with any item in my boxes, but I had a good time unboxing. Hopefully you did too, and if so, please don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hope you're doing really, really well, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon on my next one. Bye-bye.